When a customer came in and mentioned that the ABS warning light was on, I began investigating the issue. I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and found the code C0050, which indicated a malfunction in the right rear wheel speed sensor circuit. To gather more data, I performed a road test while monitoring the live data with the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the right rear ABS wheel speed sensor was providing erratic readings and would intermittently drop to 0 mph even while the vehicle was moving. This signaled a potential issue with the sensor's functionality. Next, I inspected the wiring harness for the right rear ABS wheel speed sensor to rule out visible damage, such as broken wires or corrosion, but I didn't find any obvious problems. I then disconnected the sensor's harness connector and inspected the terminals for any dirt, corrosion, or wear, but everything appeared to be in good condition. To dig deeper, I backprobed the connector and connected a lab scope to the signal wire of the right rear ABS wheel speed sensor. With the vehicle raised on a lift, I gradually increased the wheel speed to simulate driving conditions while monitoring the sensor signal on the lab scope. The readings confirmed that the sensor signal was erratic and intermittently dropped out, consistent with the issue observed during the road test. To verify that the sensor itself was faulty and not the wiring or another component, I used a multimeter to test the sensor. The results reinforced my conclusion. The right rear ABS wheel speed sensor was indeed malfunctioning. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty sensor with a new one, cleared the error codes from the system, and performed another road test. This time, the ABS light did not come back on, and the scan tool showed no fault codes. The vehicle operated as expected, and the problem was successfully resolved. In this case, the erratic signal from the sensor was likely causing the ABS system to misinterpret the wheel speed, which could affect braking performance under certain conditions. Replacing the sensor ensured accurate speed readings for the ABS system, restoring proper functionality and safety.